Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another review video. In this video I am going to talk on this brand called Mystiq Living. Now Mystiq Living is an Indian based skincare brand. Their products are 100% vegan, cruelty free and they are 100% plant based natural products. So I bought these 3 products from their green coffee blemish clear skin regime range. Why I chose green coffee? Because I don't have such acne problems, only I had little bit of blemishes and pigmentation problem, so I bought this green coffee range. Now green coffee is a main ingredient which is full of antioxidant and is good for blemishes and pigmentation removal, so I chose this green coffee range. And this skin regime is basically for pigmentation and blemish removal. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how I apply these products on my face step by step, okay? Starting with this blemish clear face scrub. It's an Ayurvedic formulation and it has green coffee, oat milk and turmeric. Green coffee is a good antioxidant, fights free radicals and exfoliates the skin, and oatmeal and turmeric repair sunburns and sun damages. So I have already cleaned my face with a gentle face wash, and now I'm gonna apply this product on my face and gonna gently massage it on circular motion for like 2 to 3 minutes. It's a very mild face scrub, so it won't damage your skin. The other ingredients of this product is green coffee extract, mulberry extract, apple cider vinegar, shea butter, almond oil and sunflower seed oil. You can use this face scrub for at least like 2 to 3 times in a week for better results. Now I'm gonna wash my face. Alright, next I'm gonna use this blemish clear face mask. It also has green coffee which helps to suck out dirt and impurities from the skin, and it also has licorice extract which is a natural skin brightener, and sandalwood which helps to soothe your skin and tighten up your pores. Trust me guys, it's a beautiful face mask. It will tighten up your pores, improve your skin texture and will give your skin a natural glow. This face mask will suit all skin types. I have a little bit of dry skin, but it doesn't make my skin feels too dry. Alright, now I'm gonna leave this mask for at least 10 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it off. And now you guys can see the natural glow on my face. The last but not the least, I'm gonna use this blemish clear day and night cream. You can see the consistency of this cream is neither too thick nor thin. This product has mulberry extract. Mulberry extract reduces the production of melanin on the skin. You can use this product twice in a day, like day and night, and now you can see the effect on my skin. So yeah, if you guys are looking for some good affordable skincare products, then try this Mystiq Living one, and I'm sure you definitely gonna love this product. I have been trying this product for the last 30 days now, and I can say these products are beautiful and they are toxic free, and this product will really help you to clear up your blemishes and pigmentations. Try this product at least for 30 days. You will see visible effect on your skin. And I absolutely love their blemish clear face mask and day and night cream. So if you guys want to try out these products, I will leave their website in the description box below. I will also leave my coupon code, and if you use my coupon code you will get extra 10% off. So that's all for today's video. If you love this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and push the notification bell. And also let me know guys in the comment section below which part of this video you like, and also let me know if you want me to try out some other makeup or skincare related products. Alright, on that note, I'm gonna signing off now, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.